Okay, future list builders, inside of the leadsleap Capture Page Club video 2, we're going to continue talking about building your list. We're going to continue talking about lead generation, because lead generation and list building is the business we're in. Okay, so guys, let's talk a little bit more about it. So in this video, in this leadsleap video, in this Capture Page Club video, I'm going to start talking about how to import pages into your leadsleap membership. These pages that I'm going to show you guys how to import, they could be lead capture pages, they could be thank you pages, they could be bridge pages. You can also create your own. That's the other cool benefit of being a member of leadsleap. And now my phone would be going off, guys. My apologies. But that's what we're going to be talking about. So it's list building and it's lead generation. Because if you can build a list, you can build a business. Okay. Now let's talk a little bit about discipline before we get into this actual video. Discipline is the acquired ability to do the right thing or do what's necessary in the absence of supervision. You guys want me to repeat that? Discipline is the acquired ability to do what's right or what's necessary in the absence of supervision. Now, if you're going to build a list, guys, there are a lot of ways that you can do it. Okay, I mean a lot, but I'm talking about doing it through landing pages and lead capture pages. But you got to keep in mind, those landing pages and those lead capture pages can take your potential prospects to anywhere that you want to take them to. Your Facebook fan page, right? It could take them to your Facebook profile. It could take them to your YouTube channel. It could take them directly to your affiliate offers, your personal products and services, your MLM, your network marketing deal. You know, just keep this in mind. Advertising, right, is a big part of lead generation, okay? Because when you can advertise, this is what we do. Advertising is what we do to get people into our stores, so to speak, okay? Advertising is what we do to get people into our stores, and every business does it. They advertise. Marketing is what you do once the people are inside of your store. And in order to get people inside of your store, you have to advertise, whether it be free or paid, right? And the best way to get people inside of your store with affiliate marketing is having the capability of being able to create and build your own lead capture pages, right? Doesn't matter what you want to market and promote, right? You want to be building an email subscribers list. Why? Number one, it's not hard to do. Number two, there's no limit to the size of the email list that you build. Okay? Why? Okay? Why would you want to build one? Well, once you built or start building a list of email subscribers, and in this instance, we're talking about leadsleap, guys, doing it with the leadsleap platform. These are people that are coming onto your list. Now, we know, guys, today, everybody's attention span is probably about as long as their pinky. So hold your pinky up in front of your face and look at it. That's the extent of most people's attention span. So when you're building an email subscribers list, well, let's talk about what you want to market and promote. The chances of a person landing on a product or service that you want to promote, even when you're using lead capture pages, right? The chances of that person joining you right at the beginning of you introducing them to whatever it is you're marketing and promoting are very rare. Right? And I was reading a book the other day, and I was reading something that I see all the time, and it really brought it home. And there's something about 7, but according to statistics, guys, this is not conjecture. Excuse me for stuttering. It actually takes a person about 7 times to see a particular thing, right, before they take any action. Now, are there exceptions? Of course it is, guys. I fired up a campaign the other day. No, it wasn't the other day. It was about, now, at this point, about 3 weeks ago. And from the beginning, I was able to make up $500 in that funnel. It just depends on what it is. And I'm building a list through that funnel, by the way. But some people will, some people won't. The point is, the chances are they probably won't. So when you start building your own email subscribers list, that person at least is on your list. And you can re-engage with that person as many times as you want with your products and services, right? And they can see it again. And they can see it again. And they can see it again. If any of you guys got kids, right? You guys know you can pass those golden arches 1,001 times, right? And the little one's sitting in the back seat and they playing the video game and they doing what they're doing. When about a 6th or 7th time, if it take that long, you roll past those golden arches, somebody in the back seat wants some French fries or McFlurry, if it's my kids are like they were when they were small. Anyway, you guys get the point. And because it takes at least 7 times for your potential prospects to see your offers, that's why we want to be building an email subscribers list. You can build multiple income streams when you build your own email subscribers list. You can build multiple lists when you start building your own email subscribers list. Now, guys, inside of the Capture Page Club, just for this example, I put the new lead capture page club, lead capture page, inside, right, of this training because I want you guys to see. I'm going to use that lead capture page and I'm going to import the new lead capture page club, lead capture page. I'm going to re-import it into my lead membership so you guys can see how simple it is to do. And I'm always bragging about the 7-second share code technology, right? Well, it literally takes about 7 seconds to import these lead capture pages into your Leads Leap membership. Now, keep in mind, you already have a library inside of your Leads Leap membership, and it has enough pages for you to start marketing anything you want, probably for the next year or two. I created some cool pages. I thought you guys might want instant access to them, so I created my own library of lead capture pages, and that's what I put inside the lead capture page club. Okay? Now, so I'm going to show you guys what this page looks like. If you guys, some of you guys could have come through this page. I'm going to click it. It's going to take us to that lead capture page. Okay, so here's the lead capture page for the new Lead Leap Capture Page Club. You guys can have this page because I have the share code for the page right under this video. Right? This is the page. And I'll probably make some changes to it. I'm not sure. But when I build my lead capture pages, one of the things I've been doing as of late is I've been building in some super bonuses. And in this instance, I'm also unlocking my start page login ads Rolodex. You see it bouncing around over here on the left hand side, or you will see it bouncing around because that's how I had the page set up. So this is just training, right? Right? I want to build my email subscribers list. I want you to build your email subscribers list. I want you to start getting high off your own supply of ad traffic, leads, and affiliate commissions, okay? That's what the new Leads Leap Capture Page Club is all about, guys. This is about more advertising. More advertising, you're going to get more opt-ins. More opt-ins, that's more leads. You build a bigger email subscribers list. Obviously, at some point in time, guys, you'll get more sales and sign-ups for your offers, okay? That's what the new Leads Leap Capture Page Club lead capture page is designed to do, right? Whether people are in Leads Leap or not, right? This is a cool page. You can build your list with it. So that's what that page looks like, right? So I'm going to stick it on back out. And that's what that page looks like. Now, right inside of your training, there's a share code, guys. You see this share code right here? Now, I changed it out because I had to reshoot this video because I had the wrong code, right? That's a share code, right? That's what that is. And I had the wrong one in there when I shot that last video, so I had to shoot this video all over again. And guess what, guys? I do not care because I do it all for you. Now, I want you guys to follow over my shoulder. Before you do, touch somebody on the left hand or your right hand side if they're sitting next to you and tell them don't blink. Because if they do, they might miss this cool 7-second share code technology, okay? So you want to pull up your page manager inside of Leads Leap. Find your page manager. Pull it up. Make sure you're looking at it just like I'm looking at mine. And then I want you to click add a new page because that's how we use this share code technology. I'm going to click. It's going to open up a field where I can add a new page. And I'm going to put new LC page. I'm just putting that because I already got that. I already got the page, guys, okay? Inside of my Leads Leap membership. Guys, name this page something you can remember so that you can easily refer to it when you want to go back to it and start editing it, because we're going to talk about how to edit all pages inside of your Leads Leap membership. But anyway, now you see, there it goes, the new LC page. Let's add new. And there you go, guys. I have added a new page. Now, the page is sitting there, but it needs some hosting. But there it goes, the new LC page. Now, your next step, guys, is to come back to your leadsleap Capture Page Club, the new Capture Page Club library, and copy. I hope this is the right one. I'm pretty sure it is. The lead capture page, right? I'm going to copy it. I'm going to go back to that. I'm going to go back to where it says add a new page. Okay, because this is where we are now. Add a new page. We already got the page in there. Let's just go add a new page. Let's take that code and let's pop it inside. Did I do that? Nope, I don't have. I got the wrong code. I actually got the code for the training page. I want this code, and you guys want this code too. If you want to import the lead capture page for the Capture Page Club. Okay, so now I'm going to go there and I'm going to hit import now. Okay, now once I did import now, guys, if you look here, you'll see there goes the new LC page, right? But if you look, if you're a free member, you're only going to have one link. But if you're a pro member, you're going to have two links. I'm a pro member, so if I click that, wow, 7 seconds. I think that was more like 5. Now that page is actually imported inside of my leadsleap membership again, because I already have it. But that's how simple it is to import pages, right? To import a lead capture page, a bridge page, a thank you page, any page that's created inside of leadsleap. Once it's created, it generates a share code. Here's the real beauty of what we're doing, guys, and where we're heading, right? So any marketing system, sales funnel, bridge page, landing page, VSL that you want to create, or we want to create, or you want to create and share with your team, you can do it with that share code. All you have to do is get that share code to the person that's joining you, right? So there it goes. That's the actual lead capture page. So that's what's happening on the right hand side of this training, right? You guys are going to see. Now, when you guys come in here, or you're in here, this page will not be clickable, right? And if it is clickable, do not put your name and email address into this form, okay? It may not be my page, guys. In fact, I'm going to lock all traffic out of it so you can't get into it. I just want you guys to see it. It may or may not be here to be able to click it and go over to it. I may just take it out. But don't put your name and email address in here, guys. That's just for illustrative purposes, right? You want the share code. There's the share code. You want the page, get the page. And again, I'm going to disconnect that so you guys can't click and join my list, because you don't need to join my list again. You need to be on the page of the person that sent you to this page. This is a team training, and this page is actually a page that you're going to have the lead of the share codes to, so you can copy this whole page out with a simple share code, and you'll find that at the bottom of this training, you'll find that share code for this page. So you'll be able to do everything. I said we want to own as much as the process as we possibly can. I said you guys would have total autonomy when you're able to do so. And if you're following along and you got a little bit of discipline going on, that's the actual acquired ability to do what's right in the absence of supervision. You don't need any. You just follow along, and these instructions will have you setting up your own lead capture pages faster than you can say, is that Marlon O Bennett? Okay, so that's going to do it for this video, guys. I hope that it makes sense to you guys. In the next video, we're going to start talking about how to connect this page to wherever you want it to go. I'll meet you guys in that video. Thanks so much for sitting in, and I'll see you there.